What's up friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to purchase a gift card and the ASOS app. To do that, just simply click the three lines on the upper left and you want to scroll down in the app towards the bottom and you will find the option that says gift vouchers. You can click on that and from here you have a few options that you can choose in terms of occasions. So let's say you want to thank you can click, for example, thank you. You'll give it a name. I'm going to type, for example, Drew right here, then click and go. Now you can choose a color, whatever you want, and you can basically customize the message if you want to right here. You have 100 characters you can write, but you can keep it simple if you so desire. Then click on add voucher details. From here, this is where you choose the value. So if you want to make it to 100 whatever currency that you want, you can choose 100. In my case, it's pounds right here, and you can just choose whatever value you want here. And you can also add other max. You're not limited to this. So let's say you want to do up to 250. As you can see, that's the max. You can put the max 250 there as well. Right, and now it's gonna choose that option for you. And here you go ahead and you say basically the email address of the recipient, the from, and as well you can choose the delivery date by when you want that to be delivered. Once you fill all the details, guys, then you will proceed going on to the next step. So you can fill in all the details here, proceed, and you'll be able to basically add to your bag. That's what they call it. Once you're finished, this option here will come selected, and let's put in ABC, for example, at Gmail. Let's say that's the email address so that you can see how that actually works. And from, I'm gonna just put, for example, Drew. Just add something. Here you can see that it says the bag here, add to bag. So you click on that and it's going to take you right over here where you can pay, right? So you can choose, this is what the gift card is going to look like, or the gift voucher, and you will see how much it will pay. You can say pay with Google Pay, or you can just go directly checkout and you can proceed. But that's how it works, guys. Very easy and very simple.